Hi, this is Jason and I'm the landscaper. So now I have the tractor at job site and now I'm taking you back to the beginning of how it comes in and assembling process of it. So this is it. I got it from the warehouse to my yard and I'm going to open it up and see how this Rhino XN12 works, and hopefully I can test it out on job site. She's fall off. Looks pretty good to me. So here it is. It's off the package. I unpacked it and we can see there's a seat here that comes with it and the canopy, 2 parts. We need to install that, put that on. And here are all the attachments I got. We have a little auger attachment, quick change, and a bucket, and a tilting bucket. And make sure that when we order, we need to order extra pins for them. Here's a little toolbox that comes with it, and some parts for the Kubota engine. Now we'll put on the canopy, the seat, and the excavator will be ready to work. So the assembly is done and it didn't take me that long. And also I used all the tools that were provided in the toolbox. So it's not bad. It's pretty easy. So right beneath the seat is the engine, and what we have here is the Kubota engine. It's a Kubota Diesel, a D722 series right here. And that's the same one that Kubota uses for their excavator as well. Radiator, so it's very simple. As you can see, it's very simple, not much to it. And the engine compartment. So unfortunately I noticed in order to access the inside of the machine, you need to take the panels out, and the panels are fastened with few bolts. Here. And once you take this rubber cover out, is the Allen wrench, Allen nut, and take it out, and you can take the cover out. And unfortunately, in order to take the back cover out, you have to take out the bolts that fasten onto the canopy, so it's going to be a little work. That's very simple for the engine compartment, for the engine setup, and let's turn it on and see how it sounds. So here's the key, and once you turn it on, it's heating up the engine. And here are the 3 gauges. So next step is we'll have to take it to the job site and see how it performs. We're back at the job site now and ready to do some work. So if you have any comments or questions, you can leave it down below or contact me directly. Thanks for watching.